Welcome to Dubai Daily, your essential morning briefing on Dubai's dynamic real estate market. This podcast is brought to you by Parag Kundalwal, founder and CEO of Consulta, a leading Dubai-based real estate consulting and global capital advisory firm. I'm your host, Mark, and this is episode 23. Today, we are taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting and exclusive segments of the market, branded residences. This is where luxury living meets iconic global brands, creating a category of real estate that is in a league of its own. And when it comes to this sector, Dubai isn't just a player, it's the undisputed global leader. Let's start with a look at the market overview, because the numbers are truly staggering. As of the first half of 2025, Dubai is home to 48,474 branded residential units. To put that in perspective, that's more than any other city on the planet. This isn't just about quantity, though. It's about the incredible value they command. Branded residences in Dubai carry significant price premiums, ranging anywhere from 40% to as high as 69% over comparable non-branded properties. In the first half of this year, the average price for a branded residence was a remarkable AED 3,779 per square foot. Compare that to the non-branded property average of AED 2,321 per square foot, and you can see the clear distinction in value. That's a premium of over 60% on average. Now, an interesting trend emerged from the data. While the total number of transactions actually saw a slight decrease of 3% compared to the same period in 2024, the total value of those transactions skyrocketed by 37%. This points to a very clear and powerful shift in the market. A flight to quality, a move towards the ultra-prime end of the real estate spectrum. Buyers are spending more on fewer but higher value properties. And a huge driver of this market is the off-plan sector. A massive 79% of all branded residence transactions offer properties still under construction. This model is incredibly attractive to international investors, who are drawn in by flexible payment plans and often lower entry prices compared to completed projects. So, what's on the horizon? Well, with over 130 projects currently under development, the pipeline is incredibly robust. Let's spotlight a few of the most anticipated launches. First, there's the Mercedes-Benz Places by Binghatti in downtown Dubai. With a handover expected in late 2026, this project promises the precision and luxury associated with the automotive giant, featuring incredible smart home automation and sophisticated interiors. Over on the iconic Palm Jumeirah, we have the Armani Beach Residences, also slated for completion in Q4 2026. Imagine high-end interiors meticulously designed by Armani Casa, paired with premium amenities and an unbeatable beachfront location. Then you have something truly extraordinary, the Bugatti Residences by Binghatti in Business Bay. Expected around the end of 2026 or early 2027, this development is pushing the boundaries of luxury, with features like private car elevators that take your vehicle directly to your apartment, and Riviera-styled private pools on your balcony. And we can't forget the Bulgari Lighthouse on the ultra-exclusive Jumeirah Bay Island, completing in 2027. This offers unparalleled sea views and access to the prestigious Bulgari Yacht Club facilities. Other notable projects include the Tierra Address Villas in the Oasis community, the football-themed Chelsea Residences by Daymac, and the residences at the Dubai Beach Edition. The list goes on. Now, let's talk about the established icons. Armani Residences in the Burj Khalifa remain a benchmark, with interiors personally designed by Giorgio Armani. A one-bedroom apartment there starts from around AED 4.6 million. But be mindful of the service charges, which are notably high at around AED 80 per square foot, reflecting the premium level of service. Bulgari residences on Jumeirah Bay Island are synonymous with Italian elegance and feature a private marina. The average price here is a staggering $10,668 per square foot. And of course, there's the Palazzo Versace along the Dubai Creek, offering opulent residences with that unmistakable Versace design flair. It's useful to think about these properties in two main categories: hotel branded and fashion branded. Hotel brands like Four Seasons, St. Regis, and Bulgari offer a seamless 5-star living experience. You get access to housekeeping, concierge, room service, and world-class spas. It's this comprehensive service that attracts many high-net-worth individuals. Aman Hotels, in particular, is considered one of the most premium operators in this space. On the other hand, fashion-branded residences like Armani or Cavalli Tower offer a unique design aesthetic. The appeal here is the lifestyle and the strong identity associated with the fashion world. Both categories, however, command significant price premiums, typically 25 to 35% more than non-branded luxury apartments, with some exceptional properties reaching premiums as high as 86%. So, from an investment perspective, what does this all mean for resale value? This is a key question. Generally, branded residences offer stronger resale values and command premium rental rates. They tend to be more resilient during market fluctuations due to their limited supply and the inherent trust in the brand name. Several factors influence this: the strength and reputation of the brand, the prime location, think downtown, Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Marina, and, crucially, the quality of execution. The brand must deliver on its promise of service and amenities. The overall market conditions and timing, of course, also play a role. Let's dig a bit deeper into the management and amenities, because that's what you're paying the premium for. Hotel-branded residences offer fully serviced living. The brand typically manages the property under an agreement, receiving management fees of around 2 to 3% of the property's value and any rental income. Standard amenities include concierge, fitness centers, and spas. Exclusive amenities can include infinity pools, private beaches, and fine dining. And then you have the truly unique features in select developments, like the private car elevators we mentioned, or the private 25-seater movie theaters and golf simulators found in places like Kempinski Marina Residences. Price ranges vary significantly based on location and exclusivity. Ultra-prime waterfront properties can range from AED 8 million to AED 50 million, or even higher for trophy assets, with prices from AED 4,500 to over AED 10,000 per square foot. Prime urban lifestyle properties in downtown and Business Bay typically range from AED 3 million to AED 15 million. Of course, every investment carries considerations. Branded residences can cost 20 to 40% more upfront, with higher service fees to maintain those luxury standards. However, they often generate better rental yields and achieve higher occupancy rates from affluent tenants. Plus, a branded residence valued at $2 million AED or more may qualify the buyer for a 10-year UAE Golden Visa, a significant added benefit. While downtown and Jumeirah Bay Island are the established hotspots, we're seeing emerging areas like Dubai Creek Harbour and Rashid Yachts and Marina gaining traction. But investors should be aware of potential risks. The high maintenance costs, the possibility of oversupply pressuring premiums in the future, and, of course, the potential for developer delays on off-plan projects. Despite these risks, the outlook is strong. Luxury property prices in Dubai are projected to increase by 5 to 8% annually, with prime areas potentially seeing even higher growth, all driven by robust demand from the world's elite. Branded residences are without a doubt a defining feature of Dubai's ultra-luxury landscape. If you are looking to explore opportunities in this exclusive market or any other segment of Dubai real estate, I highly recommend reaching out to an expert. You can contact Parag Kundalwal at Consulta A. You can find him by searching for Parag Kundalwal on LinkedIn, on his website at consultaadxb.com, via email at parag@consultaadxb.com, or by phone at +971 58 596 4631. That's all for today's briefing. Dubai Daily is here for you Monday to Friday to keep you ahead of the curve.